Hi everyone, and welcome to Flute 101. This is show number 2 where we go ahead and learn how to play the flute. I have been playing flute over 20 years experience, and let's begin. Today we're going to learn about the head joint and breathing techniques, and it's important to know how to breathe properly on the flute. So let's just take a moment to sit our foot down on our laps and sit up nice and tall and just breathe. Now once you establish your breathing normally, what we're going to do, twist off your head joint and focus on the head. Now it's important to make a sound. If you can't make a sound, then we have a problem. We have to keep practicing until we get a sound out of the head joint. This is your first lesson, is to make a sound out of the head joint. So what you want to do is focus your embouchure like an E, like this, like a smile, but you're doing it as an E sound, like this, where it's a little bit tight and you're going to blow right across the top of the hole. So put your lip, upper lip, right here in the middle, against the head joint right over here. So let's try it. And then place your teeth in between your teeth and then make a t sound, like a t, t, t sound. To make it lower. Keep playing that until you get a nice crystal clear sound on the flute. So that's what we want, is like this. Once more, place your finger in the center right here. I don't know if you can see that right here on the flute. And then go like this. Look up, look at what I'm doing. And then blow. And you want to make a t, 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 t sound. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. This is the second lesson. The first lesson will be ensemble or flute. So we're going to review. Take your head joint and angle it wise, and then twist, and then line it up. Line it up from here to here. And then if you want to twist it off, and then twist it back on. And there you have it. There's your flute. There it is. That's lesson number 1 and number 2. Lesson number 1, we learned how to assemble. Lesson 2, we learned how to play the head joint. Stay tuned for lesson 3 for the fingering. See y'all later. Take care. Enjoy the next video, and thank you for watching today's video. Bye.